Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have Apple Pay set up. Now bypass the broken lock button. First, enable Assistive Touch so you can simulate the side button. Next, add Wallet to Control Center so you can open it instantly. Once done, make sure Raise to Wake is on so the screen lights automatically. This saves time at the terminal. You're preparing alternate entry points to Wallet so you can authenticate and pay without depending on the physical lock button. Now open Wallet using your chosen method. If you added Wallet to Control Center, swipe and tap Wallet. If using Assistive Touch, use device right arrow more right arrow Wallet or set a custom single/double tap action to launch Wallet quickly. Once Wallet is visible, select your card and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This readies NFC. Make sure you see the card highlighted. That means the phone will present payment. To complete payment, hold the top edge of your iPhone near the contactless reader until you feel a vibration or see a check mark on screen. That confirms the transaction. If it doesn't go through, select the card again in Wallet and try moving the phone slowly across the reader to find the NFC sweet spot. One key troubleshooting tip: if payments repeatedly fail, restart the phone using settings right arrow general right arrow shut down, then power back on and try again. This often clears NFC or authentication glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.